high quality is not the bottleneck, clearly set out your expectations. No, if you don't understand it, keep trying. If you're a senior software developer, you're probably now finding that you're having to review larger and larger pull requests. This means that you're in a position of finding that while your team's more productive, there's an increasing risk of introducing maintenance or security problems. Today I'm going to talk about 5 strategies that you can use now to deal with the change of context that we're all facing, including a change of process that will reduce churn in your code reviews. Number 1, require more of your developers. Perhaps they never were, but your developers can no longer be viewed as code monkeys. In fact, in most cases, the code that you're reviewing has been written under instruction by the developer giving the gist to the AI tool, giving it feedback, testing it. By the time the code gets to you for your review, the developer should be happy with the implementation. This includes reading and understanding the changes that have been made, checking whether the change conforms to any acceptance criteria, ensuring that the code conforms to any patterns that the team subscribe to. This might be explicit or implicit, checking that the code builds, runs, and does what they think it should. You need to clearly set out your expectations to your team. Number 2, read and understand the entire change. Large changes are going to become the norm. You need to read and ensure you've clearly understood the full set of changes. This will require that you resist the temptation of clicking through large changes that look fine because they're syntactically correct. Syntax and code layout have always been a distraction in code reviews, but now even incorrect solutions will be syntactically correct. Take the time to understand the change. Review the code more than once. Check the feature out yourself and step through the code. This will take more time, but I promise you that determining whether a solution is of high quality is not the bottleneck you perceive it to be. Looks good to me. No, if you don't understand it, keep trying. Number 3, formalize your patterns in writing. If you have implicit patterns in your software, you might as well call out what they are. A great way of making these explicit is to get the tool to extract the patterns for you. It will give you an opportunity to exercise out some of the anti-patterns and variations that can happen in larger, older systems and make explicit your design expectations. With a clear, explicit pattern stated, you and your team can direct the tool to follow your agreed pattern rather than happening on historic or accidental choices. Number 4, use AI tools to review code. We've started using an automatic reviewer. I initially felt the tool was annoying and specific, but it actually picks out things that me and my team regularly miss. One particularly difficult problem is dealing with nullability and checks for missing values, and the tool picks these up great. This leaves me to focus more clearly on design choices. And on the topic of design choices, number 5, ask for a design before work starts. It's never been easier to set up an implementation plan before you start work. And this is the biggest change that you can make that will prevent rework following code reviews. Most AI tools can now prepare their work into a document of some sort which you can review for assumptions and undesirable choices. This is a great way to make qualitative choices even before the code has been written. How are you navigating the use of new AI tools? Let me know in the comments.